Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a shortcut to Siri in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the connect section, click on the Siri shortcuts button. And here you can see all the shortcuts. And if you want to add them to Siri, then just click on the add to Siri button next to the shortcut that you want to add. And then just click on the done button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.